So I dug into the 58 Fairlane Ranchero a bit more. I think the car is about 98% complete. Almost freaked me out here. I thought this was normal Ranchero, but no, this comes off of another car. So paint doesn't match up to the factory white on this car. So, but I got some stuff here and there. I even have her crown piece goes up on top right there. Flatbed piece in the box isn't too bad. Of course, there's some dings here and there, some holes to fix. And the tailgate, well, it's not in very good shape, so I may have to look around for another one because that's almost completely rotted out in some places. But all in all, yeah, 98% complete. Happy about it.